guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today's episode, my friends, we are making a classic funnel cake. Totally a carnival summertime treat. Let me tell you, the ingredients are very simple, and you probably already have everything on hand. So we're gonna walk right to the ingredients and then get this started. Now let's begin. Okay guys, now let's begin. Right here I have 2 cups of whole milk. I have here 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to use a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla extract, a half a cup of white sugar, and 2 eggs. And there's going to be a few more ingredients that I'm going to be showing you right after this. Now let's begin. Alright my friends, in a large bowl right here, I'm going to put in my flour and my baking powder. I'm just going to put all the all the dry ingredients together and just give it a slight stir. And then simple. This is a really simple recipe. I'm going to put in my milk, my 2 eggs that I'm going to crack separately, here's the second one, my sugar, and my vanilla extract. That was 1 teaspoon actually. And then just stir to combine. Okay, so once everything is combined. Alright my friends, really quick, I want to discuss what devices you can use to pour our batter in. Right before that, preheat your oil so it gets nice and hot. So now I'm going to be using this. This is a kit that I had bought many years ago actually, on one of those dollar stores. It was a funnel kit, and then after I had used it, I just kept it for whenever I make a funnel cake. So this is good for that. And as well, you can use a funnel, but just got to be really careful because you have to have your finger right underneath, really close to the oil, release and start swirling around. So just be really careful. And if you don't want to use this and you can't get your hand on this, if you have an empty ketchup container, works well. Maybe a soda bottle as well will work well. Just use a little bit at a time and pour it in quickly, but don't use all your batter. Just be in control and how much to use. Alright guys, so now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. Now here I have a cast iron skillet. I have filled my pan with canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil or corn oil will do. It needs to be a significant amount. I can't tell you how much because it all depends on the size of pan that you use. Whatever it is that you use, I ask that you put in a significant amount, and it be with high sides. Okay, so I have a wooden spoon. I'm just gonna check to see if my pan is nice and hot. I'm sorry, the oil. And you see the bubbling around the edges? That tells me that my oil is nice and hot and ready. Alright, so now let's begin. Make sure your streams are steady and just go in a circular motion and just crisscross. And it's okay if it looks a little wonky, still gonna taste great. Then with a spatula or whatever, you just want to make sure that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom, just so that way it moves. And you just want to, you know, lift it up a little bit, just a little bit. Help it. See how it's not sticking no more? Perfect. You see I can go back and forth with it. That's the way you want it to be. Loose in your pan. And just let it cook until it becomes golden brown, and I'll show you how that looks. It's okay if it comes out a little wonky. It's still going to taste great. I have already did a few, and I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to show you how it looks when we're ready to turn this. My friends, you see it's golden brown in the center, so it's time to turn. And there you have it. Now, sometimes that's just going to happen. It's going to be more golden brown in the center than in the corners. And that is fine still. It's still going to be cooked through. And once this cooks on the other side, we're just going to plate it, add some powdered sugar, and give it a taste. This takes maybe like 2 minutes or not even a minute, so don't walk away while it's cooking. Hey guys, I'm going to serve it in the old-fashioned way on a paper plate with 3 sheets of paper towels, just like how it would be if I was in the Carnival. And this is done, and I'm taking it out right now. Yeah, look at that. Then top it off with some confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, as much or as little as you want. And then that's it, my friends. Time to eat. Alright, my friends, and that is it. That's how you make funnel cake at home. Simple and easy. Tastes just like the Carnival, just like anywhere that you will buy a funnel cake, just like that. The batter is super easy to fix up. If you ever make a mistake and you feel like your batter is a little too watery, just add more flour, or vice versa. If you feel like your batter is too thick, add a little bit more milk. Super simple to fix up. It's very forgiving, and I really do hope you guys give this a try. Super easy, super flavorful, just like the Carnival. And I'm gonna take a bite myself because I love the crunchy ends. So good. Just like the Carnival, when it has some crunchy bits, a nice doughy side. Just even better because you made it at home. Now you don't even have to wait no more to buy this in any carnival, any kind of festival, any kind of amusement park. You can make it from scratch, make it at home, in the comfort of your kitchen. How simple and pleasing is that? Thank you so much for joining me today. You know, it's always a pleasure of having you cook along with me. Make this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, join in the family. And for those newcomers, welcome. Simple and easy and delicious. I will leave you all the measurements in the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Visit me on my social media sites and follow me through. Until next time, my friends, I will see you. Take care. Bye-bye.